In this video, we will go over the video tracking workflow trigger. So to use this, we need to make sure that the video is integrated into our CRM in the media section, so that your media library. So to get started with this trigger, we're going to go ahead and click on Add New Workflow Trigger. Type in video, you'll see video tracking. So here you can change the name of your workflow. Just go ahead and type in the box. And then here you can select to add filters. And with these filter options, you can select funnel, video, or video duration. So with funnel, you can select is any of or is none of, and then select the specific funnels for that video. So if you're running a video on different funnel pages and you want to track specific videos on specific pages, you can do that here. So here we can go into the video. So if you have a specific video that you want to track duration, you can do is any of or is none of. And once again, you can select the video from your drop down here. And then with video duration, you can have this workflow trigger when a video is watched at a certain percentage. Here you can select equals to, greater than, equal to, is empty, is not empty, all these options. So when you click on one of these, you can put in a video duration percentage here. So for example, I want to trigger this workflow when the video duration is greater than, let's say 20%. So anytime a video is watched at least 20%, this workflow will trigger. So once you have this saved in how you'd like it, go ahead and click on Save Trigger, and you'll see your workflow trigger in here. And then just go ahead and click on the Save button up in here to make sure you save all of your changes.